Welcome back to Road Roar, where luxury, performance, and innovation meet the wild side of adventure. Today, we're taking a look at the incredible 2026 Brabus Motorhome, a luxury off-road RV built with Mercedes power and Brabus styling. This is not your average camper. It's a high-end rolling mansion designed for people who want premium comfort, aggressive styling, and the freedom to travel anywhere in complete luxury. From the outside, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome looks bold, futuristic, and extremely powerful. Inspired by Brabus performance vehicles, the exterior features an aggressive front grille, custom LED lighting, rugged body cladding, and a muscular stance that instantly makes it stand out. Large off-road tires, premium black alloy wheels, roof-mounted accessories, and aerodynamic styling give this RV a commanding road presence. Whether driving through city streets or rough mountain trails, the Brabus Motorhome looks ready for any adventure. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like a luxury penthouse than a traditional RV. Brabus has filled the interior with premium leather upholstery, Alcantara finishes, carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and handcrafted details throughout the cabin. The lounge area includes plush reclining seats, smart entertainment systems, panoramic windows, and a luxury dining setup designed for maximum comfort during long journeys. The kitchen area comes fully equipped with modern appliances, premium countertops, hidden storage compartments, and advanced smart controls. In the rear, the private bedroom offers a king-size bed, luxury wardrobes, mood lighting, and a spa-inspired bathroom featuring premium fixtures and a modern shower design. Every detail inside feels exclusive and ultra-premium. Performance is where this RV becomes even more impressive. Built on a powerful Mercedes platform, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is expected to feature a high-output turbo diesel or hybrid powertrain delivering strong torque and smooth highway performance. Advanced all-wheel drive, adaptive air suspension, premium braking systems, and multiple off-road drive modes allow this massive luxury RV to handle rough terrain with confidence while maintaining a smooth and comfortable ride. Technology includes adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, advanced navigation, smart climate control, and premium sound systems that make every trip feel first class. Pricing for the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is expected to start around $850,000, while fully customized versions could easily exceed $1.5 million depending on luxury options and off-road upgrades. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome combines luxury, off-road capability, Mercedes performance, and futuristic design into one incredible package. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more luxury vehicle reviews right here on Road Roar.